If you love amazing ocean views, but you hate crowded coastlines,
this gorgeous home in Laguna Sur changes everything.
28 St Tropez in a gated community of Laguna Sur in the city of Laguna Niguel.
This end unit with the extended patio has direct ocean views and spectacular sunsets.
Downstairs, 2 suites with a bonus room. Upstairs, 1 very nice, large primary suite.
And the open concept layout has been completely redesigned from the original floor plan and is perfect for entertaining.
Laguna Sur has the ultimate lifestyle. It's a gated community, it's got a lot of fun things to do, pickleball, tennis, pool, spas, and
sunsets that never get old.